we're back in the house. We are back in the house. Looks like it's going to be a humid day. So drink your water. Alright, what do we have today? Alright, if you found me, it is HiitPlus Day. So hopefully you're in the right spot. It is day 3 for most of you. I got my timer ready. Always a different type of timer on HiitPlus Day. Because it's out of the ordinary. Alright, so you guys ready for some activity? Move around. I need to do some heavy moving. Not so much heavy lifting. Alright, let's have some fun. All your favorite moves today. Oh. Alright, let's do some leg swings. Alright, to get rocking and rolling. Here we go. This is the most important warm-up of the week. Because we jump into jumps. So the legs have to be thoroughly prepared here. If you know what I mean. That's why you always get a mini circuit. And 2 and 1. Alright, let's switch. Here we go. Up. Oh. That's it. Are my legs ready for this? Alright, let me see what we got. If I can read it all. I think I can. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Step out and squat. Alright, we're going to go 2 reps to the same side. Step out. Step out. Other side. 2 reps. That's it. 2 and 2. All the way down, trying to get that full squats right from the beginning here because they are body weight. And 1 and 2. Let's reach down for those hamstrings a little further now. All right, so let's come on down. Reaching for the floor. Hold the bottom position. There we go. That's it. All the way down. Come on. Alright, come right back up. Little light jog here, butt kicking. Make it a jog. That's it. Because if you saw my board, it doesn't look like a lot. It doesn't look like a lot. Oh, today is supersets. It's a superset HIIT class. I just noticed. That's exactly what it is. And 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go reverse lunge. Stay on the same leg. All right, here's your mini circuit now. All right, here we go. Stepping back. Same leg. All the way back. This is part of the workout here. Yes. It is part of what's happening. That's it. 3, 2, and 1, and switch. There we go. We're all in it. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, let's go in the narrow squat. So feet together and squat. All the way down. You're going for that full range of motion here. We are sitting back. That's it. And 3, 2, 1. All right, a couple power moves. We're going to lateral shuffle. All right, side to side and reach on down. Here we go. So this is how we did a strength superset. Here goes your power superset. Let's go right across. Look at the clock to get my timing down. That's it. Reaching on down right from the start. Like I said, legs had to be ready. I think they are. Come on, push. Reaching on down. Got about 10 seconds to go. Yes. And 2. And 1. All right, we're going to go jumping jack. All right, here we go. Regular jumping jack. Let's go. That's it. Come on. We're all in. That's it. Good. Picking up that pace. Let's go. Pushing right into the last 10 seconds. Let's do this. Come on. And 3, and 2, and 1. All right, there's your mini circuit. All right, so we'll start out with 3 supersets here. All right, we're going to do squat and squat jumps. All right, so the first exercise is 50 seconds. The second one is 40 seconds. All right, so dumbbell squats. You guys ready to go metabolic on me? All right, here we go. Dumbbells by your sides. Let's do this. Let's squat. Round number 1 of 2. 2 exercises is a superset. 2 rounds. That's it. So we have strength and power right down the line. 7 supersets. We'll see how the timing works out. That's it. So strength is a little less than we normally do. That's it. All right, then we're going to go into squat jumps. All right, so it's just basically jump, leading that squat, one after the other. All right, if you're not jumping, you're coming up in a calf raise. Let's go, you're jumping. Come on. Make sure you're landing in that squat. Yes. Round number 1. Yes. Yes. All right, let's get ready for round number 2. Grabbing your weights. And let's do some heavy squats. Dumbbells by your thighs. All right, get ready. And let's get into it. Let's squat. Yes. Perfect, everybody. Full range of motion here. All right, get ready to jump. Squat, jump. All right, let's go. And we're jumping. Next one is up and down. Yes. That's how we push. Come on. Yes. All right, there is one down. Let me fix this. All right, next superset, we're going to do push-up renegade row. All right, so you do a push-up and then you do a pull. Push-up, other side, pull. And then we come back up and we go squat and press. So this is up and down. Only our A-teamers do that. All right, so you guys ready? We start on the floor. So get your weights ready for the squat and the press. It might be the same weight. No, maybe you could go a little heavier on the pulls. All right, so let's do it. Push up and then row. All right, everybody's in position. You get your weights, wide base with your feet. All right, push up and row. Here we go. Push up. One row. Push up. Other side row. Yes, come on. This one is not easy. Yes, it is not easy. All right, so we're back up. We're going to squat and we are going to press. All right, so you're moving those dumbbells as you're coming up. All right, so you get that cardio effect. All right, here we go. Up. Keep it going all the way down. number 2. Let's head that back down. Push up row. All right. We love the up downs, don't we? Push up. Row. Push up means to push. Push your body. Yes, it does. Come on, that's it. This one is, I have to admit, this one is tough. If you get that full range in. All right, let's come back up. Oh. All right, here we go, squat and press. All the way down. Right on time. All right, this becomes metabolic very quickly. Splits. All right, you're going to go splits. You're going to hold a pair of dumbbells, left leg in front. All right, and we're going to split. We're going to come down and up. All right, left leg is in front. Got there in plenty of time here. All right, there's the official time. Drop down as far as you can go to the blue pad. I know Mo goes below that blue pad. She's good. And I know Melissa does the same. Anybody else? Let me know. That's it, all the way down. And then we go to those lovely lunge jumps. Everybody's favorite. Except for Johnny. John boy, sorry. You're not jumping, you go reverse. Actually, you go forward lunges today. So if you're not jumping, you're just going forward lunges. All right, so this is a tough sequence with the legs with these two. All right, lunge jump, so you're down, and then you switch. All right, this is a tough one. Or you go in front lunges. All right, here we go, right on time. Right on time. Yes. You got it, come on. Yes. All right, get ready for right leg in front. Don't have to speed through it here. You get the full 20 seconds. And then we'll go right leg in front. All right, let's go. And here we go. All the way down. Let's go. Pushing all the way through this. Yes. All right, let's hit those lunge jumps. Your legs are going to thank you. Will they thank you? I think so. All right, let's do it. Come on, one after the other. And here we go. Come on. Then we'll slow down the pace for a second here. We'll get our mandatory rows in. Oh, we don't always do them on Friday. All right, so this is going to be your heaviest row. This is like a half time. All right, so grab your heaviest weight because we're not going to go as long as we normally do. So you can go quite heavy. If you use 20s, grab the 25. All right, if you have 25s, do you have a 30? So try to go up one set. We're going to do one at a time. All right, everybody have that heavier weight? All right, you guys ready? All right, and then pull towards your hip. Here we go. We're just going to do a strength set here. All right, so together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that dumbbell up with two hands and then reverse on that side that you just had the leg back. All right, hold it up and reverse. Here we go. All the way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, other side is the heavy row. All right, leg is back. Set yourself up and let's row. Here we go. We're doing sets of 12 here. So pull. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then hold that dumbbell up and step back in a lunge. Here we go. All the way down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so if you use the right weight, hopefully you did. Need a quick sip here. All right, so this superset is, all right, so we have a couple floors here. All right, so this is going to be seated shoulder press and then mountain climbers, my nemesis. All right, so we're going to sit We're going to grab a pair of dumbbells that we can press with. Alright, so you're going to have your legs apart. Alright, you're seated. And you're just going to alternate your press. Alright? You guys ready for the next superset? Alright, here we go. Dumbbells up. And let's go. There we go. Up. Of course, on the floor, there is no cheating, so Dr. I cannot get away with anything down here. Right, Doc? There's no momentum. It's all shoulders and core. It is. And we're going to battle through. Yes. We're going to hit it hard. Alright, let's hit the mountain. If you want to use your slides, go for it. We're climbing that little mountain here. Alright, don't have to start too soon. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Climb that mountain. Looking straight ahead. Look at that floor in front of you so you line up that neck. Not looking at your legs, you're not looking up. And we're just climbing. Come on. You know how much I love this one. My shoulders hate push-up position. Just holding up too much body weight. Alright. So that's always fun to go to shoulders after, right? Alright, so again, we're seated. That's it. And we are lining up those dumbbells at the shoulders. And we're ready to press. Yes, up. Ready to hit it hard. Come on. Oh. Oh, my shoulder is just not doing well. It's weak. Alright, let's go back to those climbers. Let's go back to those climbers. And push it hard. Let's go. That's it, come on. Yes. Yeah. Push to the end here. We will push to the end. All right, and then we're back up, I think. We're going to go side lunge to the left. Side lunge to the left. So grab your two weights. And we're just going to side lunge to the left side. You guys ready for it? Alright, here we go. To the left. All the way down. Drop that chest. Which I'm not doing. That's better. Chest to the leg. don't step out like me. Good work, good work. Come on. All right, we're going jump downs. All right, so you're gonna hit the floor, feet together, jump down and reach. Jump down and reach. All right, so that mod is you're just stepping out. Step out and reach. Step out and reach. Come on. Yes. Great power move for your legs. Can I say great? Because it is. I'm running out of batteries for everything at the same time. The clock, my timers. I must have changed them all at the same time. All right, let's lunge to the right side. All right, big step to the right. Chest down to the knees. I should say knee on that side. And then push off your heel. Yes. This one, come on. Pushing through. Pushing all the way through. All right, let's get our jump downs in. All right, and then we'll head to the floor. You're gonna need some 5-pounders for dead bug when we get down there. All right, so jump down and reach, and reach. Come on. Let's do this. Picking it up, picking it up. All right, let's head on down with our 5s. We're gonna go dead bug. All right. So legs are up, and then you're going to go opposites, leg and arm, straighten it out towards the floor, pressing that lower back right into the floor. Yes. Everybody's good? Come on. Again, you just straighten it out, opposites. Press that back in all the way towards that floor, close to it. Extend that arm, extend that leg. We'll get a little core circuit happening here. Yes. You guys with me? All right, from there we're going to lie flat. You're lying flat and you're going to bring one knee in, sit up. So one knee in. Other knee in. All right, so if it's too much for your lower back, then you just do a crunch with the knee in. All right, if you can sit up all the way, stay flat. One knee in. There we go. Push through, come on. This is a little cardio core here with these two moves. One knee at a time. All right, let's go back to our little dead bug. Legs are up at 90 degrees. And extend opposites. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Yes. Push right through. All the way. All right, then lie flat. Sit up, bring that one knee in. All right, let's do this. Let's see if I'm set up here for the last one. I can't tell. Come on. Yes. That's it, right to that beat. All right, here we go. Let me fix my timer. All right, get my weights out of the way. All right, last superset. We have broad jump, and we have Melissa, burpee time. All right, you guys ready to set up? You got your step or your handles. So you're going broad jump or long jump, all right? So land and then quickly back pedal. All right, here we go. Let's finish. Let's go. Long jump. Try, we can't call it a broad jump anymore, right? There you go. I better keep my yap shut. Come on. I'll have to make sure I put supersets in the description for future reference. This one's tough to time. I don't know if I'm a little off or not. There we go. All right, you ready for some American burpees? All right, let's go. Let's hit it hard. 40 seconds. Let's go. Kick it out all the way up and jump. Come on. Fast. You know we love this one. Come on. Let's go, Half. Don't just watch, Half. Get out there and work out with us. We have fans that just watch the workout. And then they go jazzercise. There you go. Let's go. Hopefully they do burpees and jazzercise. That's it. Pushing through. 3, 2. All right, get a little breather here. We got the 20 seconds, and we'll finish our workout. All right, so we have the long jumps. You guys ready to long jump for the last time? All right, here we go. Long jump, land in that squat, quick back pedal. Let's go. Get them all in, as many as you can get. Gotta push. Landing. Right back. Come on, don't let up. You can't let up. You never let up. You never let up. You are all in. Pushing hard. We are going for it. All right, here we go. Let's finish. Right into it. Finish. Finish, finish. Come on. One after the other. Make sure you're squatting. You're not just leaning over. You have to bend those legs so you save your back and then jump out. Come on. You bend. You squat. You kick out. You kick back in. And we are going for it. Come on. Sprinter burps. Come on. Last 15 seconds. Get as many as you can. Come on, push. Push to the end. This is it. This is your end of week. And 3, and 2. And that is how we do it. That is how we go about our HiitPlus business. So we'll check those heart rates. They should be at a good pace. All right, wonderful work, ladies. That's how we get it done. That's how we get this done. All right, great work. And again, if you want some strength tomorrow, we slow down the pace. We go heavy weights. That is on Zoom, 8 o'clock. Or you can do it anytime. Just ask me for the recording. Hopefully I didn't leave the house yet. Here we go. And don't forget YouTube. If you're ever looking for workouts, just go to YouTube and you can find anything you want. All right. Thank you, everybody. If I don't see you, happy weekend. And let's keep this train a-rolling. All right. Thanks, guys. All right. See you soon.